So Linctus, it is a viscous liquid oral preparation that are usually prescribed for the relief of cough. For the treatment of cough, these Linctus preparations are prescribed or given. Cough, you all know about this common cold, cough. So it is there is a sudden disturbance or there is irritation to the throat or airway pathway, and then this because of common cold cough is occurs. So for the treatment of this cough, the agent or the liquid preparation is to be used is known as Linctus. Also Linctus, it is a monophasic liquid dosage form and it is viscous in nature. Then it consists of simple solution of active agent in high concentration of sucrose. Means in the formulation of Linctus or this Linctus consists of a simple solution with the active agent and high concentration of sucrose. Means there is addition of syrup in the Linctus as a preservative. There is addition of syrup in the Linctus preparation, and that's why it is viscous in nature. Then vehicle is always a syrup, and sometimes it contains glycerin because of sweetening taste and soothing effect on the mucous membrane. So because of cough, there is irritation to the throat or airway resistance is to be occurred. So this is removed or for this effector, it is reduced or relieved by Linctus to producing smoothing or soothing effector, in which there is other sweetening agent. Sometimes glycerin is to be added or syrup is to be added. Then it should be taken without dilution and sipped slowly to the prolong the action. So it should be taken as such. There is no dilution is to be required. When Linctus is to be administered, then it should be taken without any dilution and they are given into the small amount slowly to prolong the action of this agent. Then there are example codeine Linctus to relieve the cough. These Linctus preparations are used. Then compound tolu Linctus, dimorphin Linctus. These are the preparations that are available in the market in the form of Linctus dosage form. They are used to relieve the cough or to treat the cough. Relief means to treat or in treatment of cough. Linctus are the viscous liquid oral preparation that generally prescribed for the relief of cough to treat the cough. Their example codeine Linctus. Linctus contain medicaments having which have demulcent, sedative, and expectorant action on the member of throat. Means Linctus they contain medicaments or their formulation in which demulcent, sedative. So what is mean by sedative? In previous
Drowsiness.
lecture, I
Drowsy.
told you what is mean
Drowsiness.
by sedative. Sedative means
Calming effect.
okay. Sedative means these are the pharmacological agent. They produces drowsiness without affecting the loss of consciousness or produces tranquilizing effect or calming effect. So that is sedative. Then next demulcent. So demulcent it means that these are the substances. They relieve the inflammation of irritation. There is irritation to the throat that is reduced by this demulcent agent. That's why this agent added in the Linctus preparation. The next one is expectorant action. Linctus medicament. They having the expectorant action. What is mean by expectorant? Any idea? Yes or no? Expectorant related idea आहे का?
No, ma'am.
Cough. Okay, so expectorant are the substances or the agent that promote the secretion of sputum by airways passage and used to relieve the sputum and to treat the cough. Means finally all the agent they are added into the Linctus formulation. They are in the same role, that is to treat the cough. Sedative agent they produces drowsiness and shows calming effect. Expect demulcent they produce demulcent. These are the agent They relieve the inflammation or irritation to the throat. And expectorants are the agent that promote the secretion of sputum, and then they relieve the sputum from the airways passage. That is expectorant. So all these medicaments added in the formulation of Linctus. The dose volume is to be small, that is 5 ml, and it prolongs the demulcent action, and they should be taken undiluted, sipped and swallowed slowly. Means as such, image this same.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
As such हे administered करायचं आहे without diluted with the water, that is undiluted. Sipped, that is it is taken into the small amount, their small amount, that is volume किती आहे 5 ml,
5 ml.
and it has to prolong the demulcent action. Demulcent action means the irritation effect throat ला होतोय during because of cough. So to prolong the demulcent effect, it's taken into the small volume in undiluted form, and it is swallowed slowly. Then next, prepare and dispense 100 ml of codeine Linctus BPC. What is mean by BPC?
British Pharmacopoeia
Codex.
British Pharmacopoeia Codex.
Okay, so first ingredient is codeine. What is quantity?
3 grams.
3 gram.
Then lemon syrup quantity,
200
100 ml.
chloroform spirit,
20 ml.
benzoic acid solution,
20
20
ml.
ml.
purified water,
20 ml.
compound tartrazine solution,
10 ml.
ml.
syrup.
1000 ml.
1000.
Okay, syrup at the end, जसं आपण purified water add करतो. So in the Linctus at the end to make up the volume by using syrup as a vehicle. So in which firstly sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a formulation table or formulation or active ingredients for preparation of codeine Linctus BPC 100 ml to prepare and dispense 100 ml of codeine Linctus. So in which method, how to prepare this Linctus? So firstly, weigh the codeine phosphate. किती आहे codeine phosphate? Quantity. Okay, हे formulations as such घ्यायचे नाही. In your book, तुमच्या बुक मध्ये जसे दिले तसे आपण एक्झाम्पल्स घेतोय. But you have to calculate their value by practical. जसं practical मध्ये करता quantity given, quantity taken. By this we firstly calculate and after that follow the method. So in the method, weigh codeine phosphate and dissolve it in water. Codeine phosphate weigh करायचं आणि ते water मध्ये dissolve करायचे. Then heat gently if required. The codeine phosphate dissolve होत नसेल तर heat required, heat त्याला provide करायचे. If it is dissolved, then do not heat provided. Then add the benzoic acid solution. After that, add benzoic acid solution, compound tartrazine solution, and chloroform spirit. Then add lemon syrup. At the end, lemon syrup add करायचे, and at the last, adjust the volume by adding more syrup. So again, it is prepared by simply firstly weigh the codeine phosphate. Then it is dissolved into the water. Then heat it if required. Then add the benzoic acid solution. Then add compound tartrazine solution. Then add spirit. Then lemon syrup is added. And at the end, make up the volume by addition of syrup. By this way, Linctus formulations are prepared. So this is about how to prepare the Linctus formulation. Here we complete Elixir as well as Linctus. And for the formulation of Linctus, you can write same or having the same formulation. First one, vehicle. In the vehicle, you have to write simple syrup. It is used as a vehicle. Syrup मध्ये vehicle कोणतं होतं? As a vehicle.
Water.
Water. And elixir, which having vehicle,
Water, alcohol,
Alcohol, syrup,
Dense
glycerin,
orbital
sorbitol, propylene glycol.
then for the Linctus, their vehicle is syrup. Linctus साठी vehicle काय आहे?
Syrup.
syrup.
Syrup, simple syrup. It is generally used as a vehicle for preparation of Linctus. The next point is additives or adjuncts. Then they are added for improve the safety, efficacy, and palatability. In which again you have to write same chemical stabilizer, flavoring agent, preservatives. Chemical stabilizer, the majority of linctus that stabilize same points याच्या related लिहायचे. Chemical stabilizer they are added to stabilize the syrup and which is used as a vehicle. Then coloring agent coal tar dye is to be used which improve the appearance. Then compound tartrazine solution याच्यामध्ये जे आहे एक्झाम्पल मध्ये compound tartrazine solution it is used as a coloring agent. Then lemon syrup it is used as a flavoring agent to mask the bitter taste. And preservative, preservative कोणता ऍड केला याच्यामध्ये लिंक्टस मध्ये?
Syrup.
There is no need to add any preservative because syrup is act as a
Self
preservative.
Self preservative.
So here we complete Linctus. Any doubt related to Linctus, Elixir?
No, ma'am.
43, 44, 41. Do you have
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt related to Elixir
No,
or
ma'am.
Linctus?
No, ma'am.
no ma'am.
Okay, so in today's lecture, we discuss two liquid dosage form. Liquid oral dosage form, in which firstly Elixir and then secondly Linctus. So Elixir are the hydroalcoholic preparations. So Elixir are clear, sweetened, aromatic and hydroalcoholic liquid preparation and they are intended for oral use and main ingredient in the Elixir is ethyl alcohol. Their concentration 5 to 40%, in which water, glycerin, propylene glycol, flavoring agents are added. Then formulation, both having the same formulation, but there is one more change in their vehicle. In the vehicle of Elixir, alcohol, syrup, glycerin, sorbitol, propylene glycol, and water. They are used as a vehicle, but in the Linctus, only with the syrup is used as a vehicle. Then next, examples. We discuss their examples and storage. Storage of Elixir. Elixir should be stored in the well-closed airtight glass bottle container which having the screw packs and they are stored in the cool place and they are protected from the light as well as sunlight. Then Linctus are the viscous liquid preparations. They are oral preparation and they are used to relieve the cough. They are used to treat cough or common cold and they act as in which the medicaments containing the Linctus they act as demulcent, sedative, expectorant. Where expectorant means these are the agents they help to remove the sputum, while demulcent they produce a soothing effect to the irritated throat tissue, and sedative means drowsiness condition or calming effect. Then we discuss formulation of Linctus. Then their example codeine Linctus BPC. And last point storage of Linctus. They are Linctus preparation are supplied and well filled into the airtight closed glass bottle container with the screw caps and Linctus preparation stored into the cool place and they are protected from the light. So this is about Linctus and Elixir. Here we complete monophasic liquid dosage forms in which Elixir, syrup, solution, then Linctus,